Yes, good morning to everyone. Welcome to the another session on probability and random process. In the last few classes, we discussed about normal distributions ideas. Last 2 or 3 classes, we discussed about normal distributions ideas and the related problems, properties here. And today, we will discuss about gamma distribution. We will discuss about the concept of gamma distribution. The another name of gamma distribution will be Erlang distribution, Erlang distribution. We will discuss about the gamma distribution, what will be the PDF for gamma distribution and the correspondingly properties and some related problems here. Yes, when moving into the gamma distribution, you know that gamma integral definition. You know the gamma integral definition. Gamma integral definition means gamma n equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus x power n minus 1 dx. X power n minus 1 dx. Then can get suppose instead of e power minus x here, suppose you have e power minus ax, e power minus ax, x power n minus 1 dx here. Correspondingly, what you can get the left side result will be gamma n by a power n. Gamma n by a power n. Put ax equal to t. With the help of that, you can get the result as a gamma n by a power n. And here, for our convenience, you put a equal to lambda. For using some other common notations here, a equal to lambda and n equal to k, n equal to k. Then what you can get here, gamma k by a equal to lambda here, a equal to lambda power k, that is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power gamma a equal to lambda, therefore e power minus lambda x power k minus 1 dx here, x power k minus 1 dx here. Now you get it one side here, you get everything in one side here, then what you can get here, lambda power k, I will take it in the right side condition here, lambda power k by gamma k, lambda power k by gamma k, integral 0 to infinity e power minus lambda x power k minus 1 dx, x power k minus 1 dx equal to what you can get here, 1. Therefore, everything, if you get everything in one side here, then you can get right hand side is equal to 1 here. Right hand side is equal to 1. Therefore, now you see that here, it is like integral 0 to infinity, some range, and a negative exponential curve, that type of thing here, and some function of x is there here, some function of x with the constant here. Some function of f of x dx is equal to 1. Some integral, some range, f of x dx equal to 1. Then if it is like that, suppose it is also the 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity, negative exponential is also defined in the region x greater than or equal to 0. X power k minus n is also defined in the region x power product of these two will be a positive function, Therefore, it satisfies what here? PDF nature here, PDF nature. The curve is positive within the range, and greater than or equal to 0 in the range, and also it satisfies f of x dx is equal to 1, f of x dx is equal to 1. Therefore, you can take it as a one of the PDF, you can take it as a one of the PDF here, Therefore, this PDF is known as gamma distribution PDF, gamma distribution PDF. What is a PDF? Lambda power k e power minus lambda x power k minus 1 whole divided by gamma k, gamma k. Range will be 0 less than x less than infinity, and also one more condition that k comma lambda, that values are greater than 0, k comma lambda values are greater than 0. Then you can treat this one as a PDF, lambda power k e power minus lambda power e power minus lambda x power k minus 1 by gamma k. It satisfies the PDF nature, satisfies the PDF nature under this range 0 to infinity, and also k comma lambda greater than or equal to greater than 0 here, PDF nature here. Therefore, we can consider this as one of the PDF, one of the PDF. This PDF, because 0 to infinity is a continuous random variable. Therefore, a continuous random variable, capital X, is said to follow gamma PDF, gamma PDF, gamma distribution, if it takes a PDF like this way, it takes a PDF like this way. This is the idea of gamma distribution. Already you know the gamma integral definition here. With the help of that, you can get this PDF. You can get this PDF. Lambda power k e power minus lambda x, x power k minus 1 by gamma k. This is the idea. For a continuous random variable capital X is said to follow gamma distribution with the parameters k comma lambda, if it takes a PDF of the form lambda power k e power minus lambda x, x power k minus 1 by gamma k, lambda power k. You see that here is also used the same idea here, lambda power k, e power minus lambda x, x power k minus 1 by gamma k, k comma lambda greater than 0 and 0 less than x less than infinity. That type of PDF, you can say that gamma distribution here. Now, for this type of gamma distribution, you have the MGF as a lambda by lambda minus t whole power k, lambda by lambda minus t whole power k. Because it is continuous random variable, you can use the MGF corresponding to continuous case here. You see that here. MGF you are going to derive now here. MGF derivation of MGF. Given x follows gamma distribution with the parameters lambda k or k comma lambda implies PDF. Its PDF you can write it as lambda power k e power minus lambda x power k minus 1 by gamma k. Someone is unmuted mic. You mute your mic. 0 less than x less than infinity. And the MGF that can be defined as mx of t. That will be exportation of e power tx. Because it is continuous random variable with range 0 to infinity, you can use the function into PDF. Dx. Right. Then 0 to infinity e power tx, PDF is lambda power k e power minus lambda x power k minus 1 by gamma k, x power k minus 1 by gamma k. Then you take these are the common elements, sorry, constants. You can take it outside here. Then you can glub this exponential, these two exponential. Lambda power k by gamma k, you take it outside here. Lambda power k by gamma k, lambda power k by gamma k, you take it outside. And 0 to infinity, you can glub that exponential factor with the, because of positive plus infinity is there. You take minus outside here. Then you can get lambda minus t of x. Lambda minus t of x, and the x power k minus 1, x power k minus 1 dx. Now again, it is like a gamma integral definition here. 0 to infinity e power minus ax x power n minus 1 dx can be written as gamma n by a power n. That result will be gamma n by a power n. Instead of a, here lambda minus t is present. Instead of n, k is there. Therefore, it will be lambda power k by gamma k. By this result, gamma n by a power n. Here n is k here. Therefore, it will be gamma k by a power n. A is here lambda minus t. Power n is k. This gamma k get cancelled. Therefore, you can get it as lambda by lambda minus t whole power k. Lambda power k. This will be the MGF. Lambda by lambda minus t whole power k. Lambda by lambda minus t whole power k. That is the MGF of gamma distribution. From this MGF, you can derive mean and variance. You can derive mean and variance like k by lambda, and the variance is equal to k by lambda square. Variance is equal to k by lambda square. That is also very simple here. Mean reductions, that already you know that here. I think all of you can try also yourself here. mean that is equal to mu dash 1. Okay? Mu dash 1. Mean is equal to mu dash 1. That can be given by d by dt of mx of t. D by dt mx of t at t equal to 0. T equal to 0. That is equal to d by dt of mx of t is lambda by lambda minus t whole power k. Lambda by lambda minus t whole power k, and one derivative, and then after that you put t equal to 0. Therefore, now it is like a d by dt of lambda power k, lambda minus t whole power minus k. Lambda minus t whole power minus k, and put t equal to 0, differentiate. Lambda power k is constant, we keep it as it is here. This will be minus k, lambda minus t minus k minus 1. Okay, minus k minus 1 to t equal to 0. At t equal to 0. Now put t equal to 0 in this result here, the above results here. Put t equal to 0. Here t equal to 0. Sorry, lambda minus t. And one more minus, one more minus. Power, okay, then one more minus here. T, here this is t, therefore one more minus you can get here. Wherever t comes, you put t equal to 0. Here t equal to 0, you can get lambda power minus k minus 1 here. Lambda power k is minus minus plus k, you take it outside here, take it outside here. Then it will be lambda minus t, lambda minus t minus k minus 1 here. Lambda minus t minus k minus 1. Minus t equal to 0. T equal to 0. Therefore, we can get it as lambda power minus k minus 1. Lambda power minus k minus t equal to 0. Minus k minus 1. This negative power minus k, positive power minus k get cancelled here. Therefore, we can get it as k by lambda. Your answer will be k by lambda. Therefore, this is the mean of what? Gamma distribution. Mean of gamma distribution is equal to k by lambda. K by lambda. That is the idea you can get at. For mean is equal to k by lambda. Similarly, you can prove that variance is equal to k by lambda square. Variance is equal to k by lambda square. For that, you can identify mu dash 2. Mu dash 2. For variance, we need mu dash 2. We require mu dash 2. Okay, mu dash 2. That is mu dash 2 is equal to d square by dt square of mx of t. D square by dt square of mx of t at t is equal to 0. But one derivative is already over, therefore d by dt of mx of t, d by dt of mx of t at t equal to 0. T equal to 0. Therefore, d by dt of mx of t already here, that will be plus k, plus k, one derivative is here, plus k, lambda power k, lambda minus t whole power minus k minus 1, minus k minus 1. Plus k, lambda power k, lambda minus t whole power minus k minus 1, minus k minus 1. Already one derivative is over. But t equal to 0. Then you differentiate here, is also differentiate here. K, lambda power k are constant. Get minus k minus 1, lambda minus t minus k minus 2. One more minus k, one more minus. This is the idea you can get at. For t equal to 0, t equal to 0. For put t equal to 0 here, I can get it as k lambda power k lambda power k. Because of this minus, you can get it as k plus 1, k plus 1. Here lambda power minus k minus 2, because of t equal to 0, minus k minus 2. Therefore, you can get it as this negative and this negative get cancelled, positive get cancelled here. So you can get it as k into k plus 1, k into k plus 1 by lambda square, k into k plus 1 by lambda square. This is mu dash 2, mu dash 2, k into k plus 1 by lambda square. Implies variance is nothing but mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 square, mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 square mu dash 2, that is k square by lambda square, and plus k by lambda square, minus mu dash 1 is k by lambda whole square. K by lambda whole square. These two are get cancelled. These two are therefore we can get it as variance is equal to k by lambda square. This is the variance. Variance of what? Gamma distribution. Gamma distribution is k by lambda square. Variance of gamma distribution is k by lambda square. K by lambda square. This idea you can get that. Yes. Based on that, based on the gamma distribution idea, we have standard two problem scheme. These problems are standard problem scheme. That are also simple problem scheme. Simple problems that you can use a gamma PDF here. Gamma PDF means we are in need of two parameters here, k comma lambda. Two parameters k comma lambda, where k by lambda represent mean. Average value. K by lambda represent mean average value. K by lambda you can get is 20,000, that type of thing. That will be average. Yes, the daily consumption of first problem is that the daily consumption of milk in a city in excess of 20,000 gallons is approximately distributed as a gamma variate with parameter k and lambda. With parameter k and lambda, k equal to 2 and lambda is 1 by 10,000. The city has a daily consumption stock of 30,000 gallons. The city has a daily consumption stock of 30,000 gallons. What is the probability that the stock is insufficient on a particular day? What is the probability that the stock is insufficient on a particular day? Right. You see that this statement is very important. Which follows gamma variate? Which follows gamma variate? Yeah, the daily consumption of milk in a city in excess of 20,000 gallons is approximately distributed as a gamma variate here. One more thing is present. The daily consumption stock of the city has a daily consumption stock of 30,000 gallons. 30,000 gallons here. They are asking that what is the probability that the stock is insufficient on a particular day. The city has a daily stock of 30,000 gallons. The city has a daily stock of 30,000 gallons. And if the consumption is more than that of 30,000 gallons only, the stock is insufficient on a particular day. Therefore, you have to calculate that. Suppose X denote the daily consumption stock, daily consumption of milk in a city. Daily consumption of milk in a city, that is X here. That consumption is greater than 30,000 gallons, stock of 30,000 gallons. Therefore, you have to calculate the probability of X greater than 30,000. X greater than 30,000. But here you represented the daily consumption of milk as a X here. But given condition is that the daily consumption of milk in a city in excess of 20,000 gallons. In excess of 20,000 gallons, that is approximately distributed as a gamma variate. That condition is approximately distributed as a gamma variate here. Therefore, consumption of milk in a city X here in excess of 20,000 gallons. From that X, in excess of 20,000 means that you have to remove that 20,000 here. 20,000 here. Therefore, X minus 20,000 here approximately follows gamma variate. The daily consumption of milk in a city in excess of 20,000 gallons here. In excess of 20,000, that is approximately distributed as a gamma variate here. Therefore, you have to remove that 20,000 from that X daily consumption of milk in a city. Right. In that manner, you have to proceed. Right. All of you understand here. I will explain. If you have a doubt, I will explain later. Right. Solution for the first problem. Given X represent daily consumption of milk in a city. Given X represent daily consumption of milk in a city. Also given that it is another random variable only that follows gamma variate here. A daily consumption of milk in a city in excess of 20,000 gallons. In excess of 20,000 gallons here. Therefore, you have to consider X minus 20,000. Also given that Y equal to X minus 20,000 follows gamma variate with A comma K comma lambda. With K comma lambda, where follows gamma variate here. Where what about lambda value is given K value equal to 2? K value 2, lambda is 1 by 10,000. Lambda is 1 by 10, K equal to 2, and lambda equal to 1 by 10,000. 1 by 10,000. Okay. Other than that of 20,000, daily consumption of milk intensity, then other than that of 20,000, more than that of 20,000, what are the things are present? That follows gamma variate. Okay? In excess of 20,000 here, other than that of 20,000, more than that of 20,000, what are the what amount is there? That follows gamma distribution with two parameters k comma lambda. K equal to 2 and lambda equal to 1 by 10,000, that is given here. Totally 20,000 will be the mean average consumption. That is mean with help of mean value that you can identify. Okay, right. Implies PDF of gamma distribution f of x, that already you know that here lambda power k e power minus lambda x, x power k minus 1 by gamma k. Okay, that is PDF with the range 0 less than x less than infinity. What are the lambda value here? 1 by 10,000. Okay, 1 by 10,000 square, k equal to 2 square, e power 1 by 10,000 minus 1 by 10,000, e power 1 by 10,000 x, e power minus 1 by 10,000 x, x power k minus 1. Okay, x power k minus 1 means 2 minus 1, and whole divided by gamma 2, whole divided by gamma 2, gamma with 0 less than x less than infinity. E power minus x by 10,000. Therefore, implies you can write the PDF as a implies f of x equal to 1 by 10,000 square. 1 by 10,000 square. What about gamma 2? Gamma 2 for integers, n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial. Therefore, gamma 2 is 1 minus 2 minus 1 factorial. Therefore, 1 factorial, 1 only. X power 2 minus 1, x only. E power minus x by 10,000. Sorry, y, not x. This is not x, this is y. Because y only follows gamma distribution. Y only follows gamma distribution, not x. This is e power minus lambda y, y power k minus 1, and then here y power 2 minus 1. This is also y, not x, y. Because y only, that follows only gamma distribution. Y follows gamma distribution means everything in terms of y. Everything, the PDF is in terms of y. Therefore, you can get it as f of y. F of y is equal to lambda power k, e power minus lambda y power k minus 1 by gamma k. Therefore, you have to write everything in terms of y. Therefore, your PDF will be 1 by 10,000 square, e power minus y by 10,000 y only. Y only. Therefore, you can get it as PDF will be 1 by 10,000 square into e power minus y by 10,000. E by y by 10,000 into y. This will be your PDF. 0 less than y less than infinity. Also given the city has a daily consumption stock of 30,000 gallons. That is given already given. The city has a daily consumption stock of 30,000 gallons. Then what is the probability that stock is insufficient on a particular day? Implies the probability that the stock is insufficient. The stock is insufficient on a particular day. Insufficient on a particular day. That is the thing we are expecting here. If already the city has a daily consumption stock of 30,000 gallons, therefore the stock is insufficient on a particular day means that the consumption is more than that of 30,000 only. The more than that of the stock, already have stock. More than that of the stock only, it gets insufficient. Can we use X here? Because the stock is insufficient, consumption is more than that of 30,000 here. We see that here, the daily consumption of milk in a city, represent at X only, X only. Therefore, we can use that consumption is more than that of 30,000, we can use. Now, that X can be arrived from this Y. That X can be arrived from this Y here. Right. Next thing, but we are using, the y PDF only. For both sides, you subtract 20,000. X minus 20,000, you can get 10,000. 10,000. That is y. We know y PDF only. You know y PDF only. Therefore, you can use y here. Y greater than 10,000. Y greater than 10,000. For probability of y greater than 10,000 means here y is a continuous random variable, follows gamma variate. Therefore, your PDF probability value is nothing but 10,000 to infinity. 10,000 to infinity, because y greater than 10,000. Therefore, 10,000 to infinity, PDF is f of y dy. F of y dy. 10,000 to infinity, f of y is 1 by 10,000 square. 1 by 10,000 square, y e power minus y by 10,000. 10,000 dy. Because this is a PDF. You see the previous page, PDF is 1 by 10,000 square, y e power minus y by 10,000. Y e power minus y by 10,000, this is the PDF here. PDF. You can integrate directly, or otherwise you put substitution here. Directly also you can integrate, use Bernoulli formula directly. Otherwise, if you feel 10,000 is somewhat big, then you can put y by 10,000 as a t. Y by 10,000 as a t. Then dy is equal to 10,000 t. 10,000 t. 10,000 dt. 10,000 dt. And then what about limit change here? When y equal to 10,000, y equal to 10,000 implies you can get it as a t equal to 1. T equal to 1. When y is equal to infinity, y goes to infinity, t is also goes to infinity. T is also goes to infinity. Therefore, we can use this idea to integrate here. Integrate. Here change in the limit will be 0, 10,000 to infinity now comes as a 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity. 1 by 10,000 square, that will be as it is. Now y can be written as 10,000 t. Y can be written as 10,000 t. 10,000 t. Y can be written as 10,000 t. And e power minus t. E power minus t. Then dy can be written as 10,000 dt. 10,000 dt. Dy can be written as 10,000 dt. With this 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 square get cancelled. Therefore, we can get it as 1 to infinity t e power minus tt dt. Now apply Bernoulli's formula, t e power minus t by minus 1 minus differentiation of first one, integration of second one, e power minus t by minus 1 square, differentiation of first one 0. 0. 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity t power minus t. Now substitute the limits properly. 1 to infinity for this one. Here is minus plus, already a minus. For e power minus t 1 to infinity. E power minus t 1 to infinity 0. Minus, substitute the limit here, e power minus infinity 0, and 1 if you substitute here, e power minus 1. E power minus 1. E power minus infinity 0, e power minus 1. Sorry, e power minus 1. E power minus. This is minus minus plus, here is also minus plus here. Therefore, your answer will be 2 e power minus 1. Your answer will be 2 by e. E has a value lies between 2 and 3, 2.7 something. So you can get that 0. So on. Therefore, that will be the probability value. This idea you can use here. But in that question, you have to remember that XSR 20,000 means other than that of 20,000. That 20,000 is considered that other than that of 20,000, that is approximated as a gamma variate. That is approximated as a gamma variate. That will be taken as a y with a k and a lambda. K and lambda. Then you know already PDF of y. You substitute that, you can get PDF of y. But the question asks that stock is insufficient on a particular day means the daily consumption is more than that 30,000 here. Therefore, here x is the daily consumption. Therefore, in that manner, x greater than 10,000, 30,000 only. But you know only y PDF only. Therefore, we are converting x to y form here. Then integrate here. Integrate. Then you can get your answer will be 2 by. Your answer will be 2 by. That is the idea. You can get that. All of you understand this problem here? Any doubts in this problem? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, all of you try this problem in your own way, the same idea. But here there's no conversion, you can directly adapt here. In a certain city, try this problem and give your answer. In a certain city, the daily consumption of electric power in millions of kilowatt hour, electric power in millions of kilowatt hour, can be treated as a random variable having gamma distribution with the parameter k equal to 3, lambda equal to 1 by 2. And the power plant has a daily capacity of 12 million kilowatt hour. What is the probability that the power supply will be inadequate on a given day? On a given day. In a certain city, the daily consumption of electric power in millions of kilowatt hour, millions of kilowatt hour can be treated as a random variable having gamma distribution with the parameter k equal to 3, lambda equal to 1 by 2. It means that that city have a 6 million kilowatt hour, k by lambda. K by lambda means we can get 6 here. Therefore, 6 million kilowatt hour on average, the city needs 6 million kilowatt hour as a requirement for the current here electric power. That will be split as this way again, k and lambda again. K equal to 3 and lambda as a 1 by 2, 1 by 2. That parameters are given here. Therefore, don't panic there. What is k? What is lambda? That k by lambda totally gives mean value. Totally gives mean value. Therefore, in that manner, you can think about it. Therefore, that will be split as a k and lambda. Two parameters k and lambda. K must be an integer. K must be integer. Lambda may be fraction or integer. In that manner, you can consider it. Therefore, k and lambda. Therefore, here the daily consumption of electric power in millions kilowatt hour, you take it as a x. The x denotes, capital X denotes daily consumption of electric power in millions of kilowatt hour can be treated as a random variable. Having gamma distribution, that x follows gamma distribution directly, no conversion, with parameter k and 3, k and lambda here. Therefore, you can write the PDF of x directly. No need of y, any y, directly x you can write here. F of x you can write here. The power plant has a condition is given. The power plant has a daily capacity of 12 million kilowatt hour. The power plant already have a daily capacity of 12 million kilowatt hour. What is the probability that the supply will be inadequate on any given day? Supply will be inadequate on any given day. So what you have to find here? X denotes in terms of millions of kilowatt hour. Therefore, you have to find what you have to identify. Anyone? Probability of x greater than 12.
X greater than 12.
Can you give the answer for this? You need a PDF. PDF, you can take it like this here. K equal to 3, lambda equal to 1 by 2. K equal to 3, lambda equal to 1 by 2. X denotes daily consumption of electric power in millions of kilowatt hour. Daily consumption of electric power in millions of kilowatt hour. In millions of kilowatt hour. That follows gamma distribution with k comma lambda. That is also given. Implies what is PDF of x. F of x equal to lambda power k e power minus lambda x, x power k minus 1 whole divided by gamma of k. Gamma of k. 0 less than x less than infinity. We substitute PDF. K and lambda value. K equal to 3, lambda equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 power 3 e power minus x by 2. X power 3 minus 1, 2, and whole divided by gamma 3. Gamma 3 is 2 factorial. Gamma 3 is 2 factorial. Therefore, it will be 1 by 2 power 3 or 8, 1 by 2 power 3 and 2 power 4, 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 2 power 4, x square e power minus x by 2. This is your PDF. Correct? 1 by 2 power 4, 16. Here 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 16. Your PDF is x square e power minus x by 2 with 1 by 16. 1 by 16. Correct? PDF correct? Right. Also given that the city has a daily consumption stock of 12 million kilowatt hour, what is the probability that the power supply will be inadequate on a given day? Therefore, you have to calculate the probability that power supply will be inadequate. Power supply will be inadequate on a day, on a given day. Probability x greater than 12. 12 millions of, it's more than that of 12 millions kilowatt hour, f of x dx. 1 by 16 x square e power minus x by 2 e power minus x by 2 dx 1 by 16. 1 by 16 x square e power minus x by 2 dx. Can you give the answer for this one? What about this answer? 12 to infinity. Anyone give the answer?
400 by e power 6.
400 by e power 6. Any other different answer?
Very by e power
Very
6.
good. 25 by e power 6. That will be the correct answer. 25 by e power 6. Is everyone getting the same answer here? The answer will be 25 by e power 6. This is the idea of gamma distribution. This is the idea of gamma distribution. And so far, we identified some ideas in special distributions such as binomial, Poisson, normal or Gaussian, another name is Gaussian, and similarly gamma or Erlang distributions. Okay? These four distributions are these four distributions useful for finding probability values when based on their conditions here. Based on their conditions here, if you met that PDF conditions here, you can approach this kind of probability here, this kind of distributions to get the probability values. These four are important. Binomial, Poisson are discrete distribution, and next one, gamma and normal distributions are continuous distributions. These distributions are important. And one more concept is there, that is